Here's a great deal on a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.